A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived a crow in a beautiful forest. This crow was very greedy, and he always kept an eye on others' business. He was liked by no one in the forest. One day, a crow found a piece of meat on the ground near the lake. He picked it up and flew to the top of a tree. While he was sitting on a branch of a tree, a small bird, passed by. She was carrying a dead rat and was flying very fast. The crow called to her and said, "Where did you get this dead rat that you have?" But the small bird did not answer. She kept on flying on her way. When the crow saw that, she paid no attention to him. He became very angry. He again called out, "Stop, and give me a piece of that rat, or I will follow you and take the whole thing for myself." Still, the small bird paid no attention to him. At last, full of greed and rage, the crow determined to have the rat by any means. He left the meat he was eating and flew after the small creature. Although she was only a little bird, the kusa could fly faster than the crow. So, he could not catch her. While the crow was chasing the kusa, a hawk happened to pass by the tree where the crow had left his meat. The hawk saw the meat and at once seized it in his claws and flew away. Although the crow pursued the kusa for a long time, he could not overtake her. So, at last, he gave up his attempt and flew back to the tree where he had left his meat. But when he came to that spot, he found that the meat was gone. He was almost ready to die of disappointment and hunger. By the by, the hawk which had taken the meat passed the tree again. He called to the crow and said to him, "Mr. Crow, do you know that I am the one who took your meat? If not, then I will tell you now, and I am very sorry for you." The crow did not answer the hawk, as he was so tired and weak, and could hardly breathe. Moral: don't be greedy. Be content with what you have, and don't wish for what you do not own.